Hello and welcome. I'm Andreas Fertig. I work as a trainer and consultant primarily for C++. And I'm also the creator of C++ Insights. And this is also the tool I like to talk about in this series. We continue in this episode with Lambdas. This time it's a little bit less about how C++ Insights does these things. It's more about talking also a little bit about C++20. And here is my motivating example. It's the same as you may remember from the last episode. It's max lambda. As I said, there is a better version in the standard library, so use that one, please. But this once again I use to illustrate my point. So I have this max thing which now looks like a function. And now I can call this thing, as we can see in line number 7 and line number 8, like a function, and pass the parameters 2, 3, and in line number 8, 2, 3.0. And as far as my opinion goes, I don't like line number 8, because I'm mixing types. I'm creating integer promotions, and in this case I even convert my integer to a double. So I try to avoid these cases that they work just out of the box, because the result may be surprising, because max in this case will now return a floating point number. And we can see this if I do the transformation. So first of all it compiles, and as before, and this is better than truncating the double to an integer, but it's still not really great. So I don't want line number 8 to compile. And if we stick with lambdas, the question is, what can we do about this? The reason this compiles is because of the signature of the lambda here. We have two different types, and as we can see on the right, this results in two different template type parameters. And that way there is no easy way to prevent this conversion from int to double or from double to int. But we have C++20, and there we have lambdas with a template head, and we can now use in these angle brackets elements from templates like template type parameters or non-type parameters. And if I now try to transform this, the compiler informs me that the statement I don't like doesn't compile anymore, because the template does not know how to deduce this parameter t, because it now gets an int and a double. So as soon as I remove that line of code, everything goes smoothly, and we can prevent this implicit conversions which we had previously in C++17. That's it for today. Stay tuned for the next episode. Bye bye.